How do I delete saved messages on Snapchat?
Hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about how you can delete saved messages on Snapchat. We all know that Snapchat is designed for messages to disappear after they are viewed, but sometimes, we intentionally or accidentally save messages that we no longer need. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of deleting those saved messages.
What are saved messages on Snapchat?
Firstly, let's discuss what saved messages are. Saved messages on Snapchat are those messages that have been intentionally saved by users to refer back to later. They are marked by a gray background and can be both text and multimedia messages.
How to unsave messages on Snapchat?
Next, let's look at how to unsave messages. Unsaving a message is as easy as long pressing the message and waiting for the background to turn from gray back to normal. Remember, the message must be unsaved by all parties in the chat before it can be deleted.
How to delete saved messages on Snapchat?
Now that we know how to unsave a message, let's move on to deleting it. Please be aware that Snapchat doesn't allow you to delete a message directly. However, you can clear the conversation to remove the saved message from your chat. Here is how you can do it. 1. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the Snapchat home screen. 2. Tap on Settings, located in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and tap on Clear Conversation, under the Who Can section. 4. A list of your chats will appear. Find the chat that contains the saved message you want to delete and tap on the X next to it. Remember, this will not delete the message from the recipient's chat if they have saved it. It will only remove the chat and its content from your side. That's it, folks. Now you know how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. Remember, Snapchat is all about quick, disappearing messages, so use the save feature wisely. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to share it with your friends who might also find it useful. Until next time, happy snapping!